If you're looking for the best password manager, two tools you'll see everywhere are ProtonPass and NordPass. Both are secure, modern, and easy to use, but they're actually built with slightly different priorities in mind. Before we get into the details, if you want to try either of them, you can usually find the best current deals in the description and the pinned comment below. Prices often change with promotions, so it's worth checking. Alright, let's start with what these tools actually do. Both ProtonPass and NordPass are designed to store your passwords securely, generate strong passwords, and automatically fill them in when you log in. They also sync your data across devices, so whether you're on your phone, laptop, or browser, everything stays up to date. When it comes to features, both are surprisingly powerful. ProtonPass focuses heavily on privacy. It uses end-to-end encryption and a zero-knowledge system, meaning even the company itself can't access your data. One standout feature is email aliases, which lets you hide your real email when signing up for services. It also supports passkeys, 2FA codes, secure notes, and even dark web monitoring for leaked credentials. NordPass, on the other hand, is more about simplicity and everyday usability. It includes autosave and autofill password health reports, data breach scanning, secure sharing, and even file attachments. It's also known for being very beginner-friendly while still offering strong encryption and modern security features. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where things get interesting. Both ProtonPass and NordPass offer free plans, which is great. ProtonPass actually has one of the better free plans out there, with support for multiple devices and a solid set of features. NordPass also has a free version, but it's more limited, especially since you can only use it on one active device at a time. Looking at paid plans, ProtonPass Plus usually costs around $2.49 per month on a yearly plan, depending on the current promotion. There's also a monthly option at around $4.99. NordPass is generally cheaper. Long-term plans can go as low as around $1.24 per month, while family plans are around $2.68 per month for multiple users. That makes it one of the most affordable premium password managers right now. Of course, keep in mind that these prices can change depending on deals and discounts. Now let's quickly go over the pros and cons. ProtonPass is a great choice if privacy is your top priority. It's open source, built by a company known for privacy tools, and its free plan is very generous. But at the same time, it's still a relatively newer product, so it doesn't always feel as polished or feature-packed as some competitors. NordPass, on the other hand, is very easy to use, fast, and offers excellent value for money. It has more mature features and a cleaner user experience. The downside is that the free plan is more limited and it's not as privacy-focused as Proton. So which one should you choose? If you care most about privacy, open source software, and a strong free plan, ProtonPass is probably the better option. But if you want something simple, affordable, and packed with features, NordPass is hard to beat. At the end of the day, both are excellent password managers, and you really can't go wrong with either one. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and cybersecurity tips.